I'm here listening to the American elm, and the way that I'm doing that is by measuring the biodata within the tree. And what I mean by that is I'm measuring electrical currents within the tree and specifically changes in those electrical currents. So as living beings live, they have electricity within them that fluctuates as they do things. So for a tree, as it photosynthesizes or grows new cells, its electrical charge or electrical energy changes. And what I'm doing with this microprocessor is mapping changes in that electrical current to musical pitches to create a score. And that score is silent, but it gets sent over to my iPad, which has a synthesizer with sounds that I've created. So what we're listening to is the tree playing the sounds that I created. I choose to use sounds that are harmonious to bring people into the work, to invite them in and to offer a sense of deep listening, evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity.